TNT, right? Deep breath. 30 of
Currently in the United States, hospital emergency rooms face problems of lacking emergency room staff and long waiting times, which might lead to patient flow delays, disruptions, and inefficiency. As a result, it can cause some patients to leave before being served, resulting in loss of potential revenue and safety concerns for these patients. In order to solve these challenges, we developed a product called Lifesaver that can help the emergency rooms to improve their service qualities and save costs. Our product, Lifesaver, is more than just a simulation tool. It is a decision-making tool for management to determine staff allocation while meeting service level requirement. Lifesaver can do a lot of amazing things. For example, it can reduce waiting times, optimize the staff allocation, determine ideal patient-doctor matches, and identify and eliminate bottlenecks. To have the great functions we just mentioned, we use a Sigma model to simulate an emergency room. This is a simplified version of an event graph of our model. It is just like an overview of everything. Patients come in at a predetermined rate according to statistics about emergency rooms in the United States. In normal cases, each patient will be evaluated, then he or she will be given an estimated waiting time, and if one can tolerate that, he or she will join the lineup to be assigned to specific doctors to get treatments. If this is an emergent case, like heart attack patients arriving in an ambulance, we will try to get the patient a high-level doctor without waiting. And if we do not have enough doctors and resources to satisfy the requirements, we will transfer the patients to the nearest hospital. Lastly, if a patient gets replaced, he or she will get retreated right after. So this is our UI. It is really simple to use. All you need to do is to type in the minimum and maximum number of high-level doctors, low-level doctors, number of nurses, number of triage personnel, number of ambulances, and number of days to simulate. We also prepared two cases for you, normal and natural disaster. Then you click the Simulate button. First, you will see a plot of different queues versus time, just like this. Then you can click Exit to see another plot. The second plot you'll see is a wait time versus time and total average wait time versus time. Lastly, you'll see auto outputs in a text file. We have created a special decision-making tool that the emergency rooms can use to quantify the impact of proposed changes to patient flow prior to implementation. The data analysis created a clear picture of emergency rooms operations and helped us to identify potential areas for improvements. The current product determines the number of nurses and doctors needed for each shift while satisfying the service level requirement. The next thing that Lifesaver needs is to generate a schedule according to the preferences of nurses and doctors and answer the question of how to fully utilize medical resources such as ambulances and beds. These are the data and assumptions we made for our simulation. It is based on our research about industry averages. And finally, this is our team. We have Jay John, Zhang Lee, Yushen Guo, Michael Zhao, Con Taskin, and Jason Tu. Please feel free to contact us at info@lifesaver.com or visit lifesaver.com. Thank you for watching, and invest in Lifesaver will promise you to save more.